Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to add a time delay in Python. We're going to use time module. For example, I will include import time, and if we want to print, for example, our hello world message after every 5 seconds, we can use while loop, while true, and print our message, print hello world, and we want to wait for 5 seconds. We can use times method sleep, time dot sleep, and pass in 5 to delay for 5 seconds. Just gonna save it and run our script. And I just executed the script, and you can see it printed hello world and then hello world again after 5 seconds. It's gonna print it again. So it will keep on printing because our while loop is set to true, and after every 5 seconds it will print hello world. So this way you can add a time delay in your Python script. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Awesome Code keeps supporting me, and thank you for watching.